We're back, commence day 2. Go ahead and put the oil pan back together, throw all the bottom of the car back in, subframe up, all that good stuff. Then we're going to jump into the top side of the car and start working on valve cover gaskets, plugs, etc., all that good stuff, and really get it done today, guys. Hopefully we can drive it to dinner tonight. Super cool. I can't wait to drive it for the first time. Very exciting. Let's get to it. Let's do it. Let's knock it out. Get it done. Okay. Bottom is all buttoned up. We have the subframe back in the car. We have all the little lines put up, all the little 10 millimeters, the T30s, everything is there. Brand new drain plugs are in the oil pan. Everything is good here. Ready to lower the car down, go and start tearing the top apart and get these valve cover gaskets and get this thing driving today. And our new water pump comes out of the hole. This is why you replace water pumps even at early mileage, quote unquote early is 90K, but this thing is plastic and eventually it will start to spin around where it's connected right there. And then you just won't be pumping any water because the plastic will just heat cycles, cold and hot will just eventually wear out and you'll quit having any water pump abilities because this little impeller right here will be spinning and the plastic around it have swelled up and just will not spin around it and you won't be doing anything. You'll overheat your motor. So just make sure you keep them on this. Probably definitely over 100K. You need to do all this, and the plastic stuff for the cooling system is one of the most vital parts of the engine. And here's the new water pump. This is a Garf water pump, and look at there, this thing is metal. So you want to worry about it. Still, you got to worry about the internal bearings eventually wearing out, but for right now, this is a lot better than the plastic one, and it's going to get you farther down the road. Very nice, very high quality. I've put these in a bunch of BMWs, never left me stranded, never get anything bad. So very good product. I would highly recommend. Throw this bad boy in. We're going in, taking the cold packs off. We got the cowl removed so we can go and get these valve covers out. Got the coolant tank removed. Went ahead and put the water pump in, thermostats in, all that good stuff. We took this hose off because we bought our new ones. Hendel said this little nipple right here breaks and ours broke. So shout out to Hendel for knowing that. Yeah, we're getting all these out right now so we can go ahead and proceed to remove valve covers. We're going to do spark plugs while we're here and valve cover gaskets. First valve cover off. Bank two. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Alright, so.
You need to do it with the jerky in your mouth.
No, I cannot film the jerky in my mouth. No. Look at that, look at that. Looks good, looks good. Okay, valve covers are off. It looks really clean under there. And it's chomping over here. So the heads look really clean. Looks like this guy did frequent oil changes. It really makes me happy. It's why I want a lower mileage car. Car looked pretty clean from the outside and everything just kind of fit into place here. I'm really happy I picked this car. Seems like it's a good choice. So I think it's going to do me well. It's going to serve me well. I'm taking care of it, so hopefully it'll take care of me. We're going to go ahead and put the new valve cover gaskets on, throw everything back together, try to wrap this baby up, go put some fuel in her, take her to dinner. First maiden voyage. Super cool, super excited. Shout out to Hendel, dude. None of this would be possible without him. I wouldn't know half of what to do. Just kind of been sitting here as his little flashlight holder sometimes, but we're getting it done. Let's do it. NGKR spark plugs going in, thread locker on them, or excuse me, anti-seize is on them. And we'll thread them in right now. Go ahead and knock this out so we're not trying to fight ourselves when we have the valve cover gaskets on and the valve covers. So it's gonna be a lot easier to do them now while we're knocking it out.
NGK iridiums.
All right, for our oil, we're using Redline 1060. And I'll really recommend this stuff, said it was good stuff, so I'll listen to his recommendation. That's what we're doing. Going to pour us in here. 10 quarts in this bad boy. Can you believe that? 10 quarts of oil. It's a big thirsty V8. What can you say? So what Hendel's doing is a 50-50 mix of BMW antifreeze and distilled water. Then we are going to, what is this mechanism called?
It's a vacuum
Bleeder? Okay, and we are going to vacuum bleed the system, so make sure there's no air pockets, there's no anything. We can properly bleed the system because BMWs are kind of notorious for having hard times to bleed if you don't have the proper tools. It just takes forever, so Hendel's got all the right tools here, he knows what he's doing, so let's go ahead and get it.
Airvac coolant refiller. It's tight. Open the valve.
Sucking all the air out. Sucking all the good stuff out. Over time, these hoses are going to start to slowly expand because the coolant's filling in here and taking place of the air that was removed from the system. All right, first start. I started Hendel's car when we did the rod bearings at E46 a couple years ago, so he's going to start this one.
Just going to turn it over first.
Yeah, turn it over.
Ejector's disconnected. Build up a little bit of oil pressure.
And official first start. Rod bearings, valve cover gaskets, everything. Yeah, I can't wait to go drive it. You know what you got in the cockpit?
What?
What you got in the cockpit? You got a bunch of lights?
Check engine light. We need to fix it.
I went for a drive and I didn't have a driver's low beam, so Hendel is helping me adjust these now. We had no way of knowing how to adjust them, so a quick Google search and we are back to adjusting. Still very difficult though. This is the headlight I bought used, and this is factory light. They're not being very user-friendly at all. Okay, I know you guys cannot understand the excitement on my face or see the excitement on my face. Yes, we got some lights on. We got an airbag closed. I got a clear and seatbelt I'm not wearing at this moment. I'm on a back road, but this is freaking awesome. I have a freaking E92 M3. I am driving it. Freaking rod bearings are already done. Everything is done. It's time to customize this girl, make her look up to my standard, and I am so freaking happy right now. Thank you everybody. Thank you so freaking much. Thank you Hendel. Thank you John at CES. Everybody, thank you guys so much. Thank you Garrett and Chase going with me to get it. Thank you so much for everybody making this possible. This is freaking awesome. Let's go put some fuel in this girl and come back and get Hendel and go to a nice dinner. Guys, that's going to wrap this maintenance up for the M3 for right now. Super excited, super cool. Can't wait to actually start driving the car once it's fully complete. Right now, just having the maintenance done, just driving the car like it is, it's so freaking cool. It's kind of what I thought the Porsche would feel like whenever I buy my first Porsche. It feels so engaged, so awesome, and I don't know, I put the car on such a pedestal, and now I have the car, and it's this beautiful thing to be able to sit in the car and drive it and just, it's mine, and I can enjoy it, and it makes beautiful sounds. It feels amazing. It's very responsive. Me and Hendel were doing little time attack, little trials in the little thing. It was pretty fun, so I got to rip on the car a little bit, make sure everything was good, and it was just beautiful, dude. Thank you so much, Hendel. Thank you so much, John at CES. Thank you for everybody helping with this. It's freaking awesome. I'm super excited to see where this goes. I can't wait to go to get this body work done, knock this paint and stuff out, get everything done, get this baby ready for cars and coffee, and then get it ready to start modifying more and then enjoying the thing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like. If you didn't, leave me a dislike. I hope this helped you in some way knowing how to do some maintenance to your S65 on your E90X M3. So thank you guys so much. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Cool M3 content coming. Very cool M3 content coming. I can't wait to share it all with you guys. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.